In nature, there is one rule. The bigger you are and the scarier you are, the less people will want to hurt you. But people seem quite tiny compared to these huge animals. And that is exactly what we'll talk about. Hi everyone. Today we're going to show you 10 real giant creatures caught on camera. Let's get it on. Kraken is a mythical ocean monster the size of a floating island with eerie tentacles, capable of dragging even the largest ship to the bottom of the ocean. Scientists believed that the prototype of Kraken was a very real creature. This is the largest cephalopod mollusk living at a depth of 3,300 feet and was first recorded in the natural habitat in 2004. The giant has a highly organized nervous system and a complex brain, and it is still a mystery for scientists. One of these monsters, 30 feet long and weighing nearly 400 pounds, in October 2012, was washed up on the shore of a Spanish resort. Experts suggest that the largest ones can have a length up to 60 feet and weigh more than 2,200 pounds. December 27, 1924, a British tabloid called the Daily Mail published a sensational article about the battle of two sea killer whales and a giant monster covered with white hair. According to eyewitnesses, the creature had fur like a polar bear, a trunk like an elephant, and a tail like a lobster. They could not clearly identify the animal then. Over time, all incomprehensible creatures, which scientists could not recognize, began to be called globster. One of the most famous is the 4-meter Sokolin monster, a creature with a nose resembling a beak, with a tail and a skull partially covered with thick hair. It raised a lot of questions. Unfortunately, the scientists did not have time to identify him. In the evening of the same day, the remains of the creature were carried back to the ocean. The biggest cartilaginous fish ever is a giant shark known as Megalodon. According to experts, it could grow up to almost 70 feet in length. It was carnivorous and most likely hunted other sea creatures, using its huge tail and fins to stun its prey. Thanks to the fossils that were found, now we know for sure that it has 4-inch long teeth and a jaw 6.5 feet wide. This shark could even swallow a small whale. Pyrosome is a unique and rare creature living in warm equatorial and tropical waters. It consists of 99% water and represents a giant cylindrical colony of tens of thousands of zooids. Zooids are independent organisms that can create their own exact copies. The most surprising is that since the formation of the colony, it lives and develops as a single organism. In 2011, off the coast of Tasmania, it was possible to shoot an 18-meter specimen of the pyrosome and even play with this creature. And does it not remind you of anyone? In our opinion, it looks like a water monster from the movie The Abyss. The Spinosaurus is one of the biggest dinosaurs known to man. It was as huge as 2 elephants. It was possibly larger than the Tyrannosaurus and the Gigantosaurus, although these two were a lot heavier. Spinosaurus were tall and thin, from 40 to 60 feet in length, weighing about 20 tons. Scientists believe that Spinosaurus lived in Africa 100 million years ago. And what other giant creatures have you heard about, guys? Write about it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.